Francis was a pianist, pianist, pianist. Francis was a pianist, a master of his art. He played so fast, he played so grand, dazzling crowds across the land. Francis was a pianist, a master of his art. He wrote the rhapsodies, rhapsodies, rhapsodies. He wrote the rhapsodies inspired by his soul. Okay, now so bold and bright, to see it brought to life. He wrote the rhapsodies inspired by his soul. He composed the Eagles, he composed for three little plays. Windows so fast and hands so wide, he made the piano scream right. The Eagles, he composed for three little plays. Symphonic forms, he made the symphonic forms.